Welcome, and thanks for watching this demonstration of the Barlea Trust platform. Barlea is a platform with a patented process for resolving conflicts of interest between adversarial or untrusted parties. It has application in a number of regulated spaces like Hipaa, GDPR, securities, voting, and exceptional access. In this Hipaa GDPR example, we will show a manual implementation of satisfying a request for a single record. In practice, many of these steps would be automated and applicable to batches of records. We start with a company we will call inquiry that requires health information about a potential customer. This information is protected by Hipaa or GDPR and cannot be accessed by this applicant without proper authorization. The company representative first logs into their company account. In this example, we have pre-filled the subject request information where the applicant records the personal information the applicant has obtained about the potential customer. The applicant representative selects the data provider that has the medical records they need. The representative then indicates why they are requesting this information. In this case, it's for travel insurance. They then select the type of records they need. In this case, it is an immunization record. The representative then selects the authenticated request, sends the authenticated request to the data custodian, in this case, Health Clinic. The health clinic representative logs into their system to see a record request on their workflow. They select this request to see the details about the request. The representative reviews the details and determines whether the request is appropriate. They can deny the request if needed, but in this case, the representative does a record search to see if they have enough information to fulfill the request. The record search turns up a matching record. The representative reviews it to ensure it is the right record and notes that this patient has not authorized a request of this type for this requesting company. Again, the representative can deny access if it seems appropriate. In this case, the representative opts to send a request for authorization to the patient who owns the record. This action generates a token to allow access. The patient receives a notification in a message app. They log in to their account to see the request information in their message history. Clicking on the message gives the patient details about the request and an option to accept or deny it. Allowing access activates the token. Denying access leaves the token inactive and unusable. In this example, the patient activates the token. The next time the inquiry representative logs into her account, she sees the authorized workflow item in her workflow. Selecting this item shows the login with the authentication token. The active token with the applicant's information, credentials is enough to allow access to view this record. The powerful workflow tools are useful by themselves, but the true power of Barlea is the complete indelible audit trail left behind of all activity. The blockchain has kept track of every action related to this access request, which can be reviewed at any time. The process creates a closed loop that allows the cloud services provider